Welcome to Astrofox, the YouTube channel. So today we'll see a combination of Venus and Sun. So most of the times it is said as Astangata or the combustion. So, but does it mean always the combusted Venus should give impotency? The answer is certainly not. There are many conditions when this Venus combustion actually gets cancelled. So before giving any prediction, you are having a combustion of Venus and there is a possibility of delay in birth of the child, or you may not get childbirth. Pronouncing such ill effects, a lot of consideration should be given to the chart. So we will see a lot of examples where this combustion effects gets cancelled. Okay, most of us know like what are the effects of Venus and Sun, or maybe we can see that, but majorly we are focusing whether it will always give impotency or not. You see this chart here, Venus and Sun are together, and let us assume it is within the combustion degrees and there are no positive aspects, and here Sun is in its own house very powerful. Certainly here you can say the person might have some impotency or some kind of bed comforts problem, and all the karakas related to Venus may not shine properly. This is first case where I am saying there are no positive aspects and the degrees are very close, that is within 3 degree. Within 3 degree range this Venus and Sun are placed together. Next, take this chart number 2. Here there is Venus plus Sun plus Rahu. Here definitely you cannot pronounce the effects of combustion of Sun with respect to Venus. Why? Because this Venus, even though it meets Sun, but here there is this anti-clockwise Rahu, who is a friend to this Venus. Venus being the Guru, Shukracharya, and this is Asura, his disciple, who is friendly to the Venus. Okay. Now, this Rahu is very incivimal and capable of even swallowing the Sun, which crosses the Grahana or the eclipse, is constantly giving trouble to this Sun. So this Sun can never affect this Venus, because in one end he is protected by his friend Rahu, and in another end his friend Rahu or his disciple Rahu is affecting the Sun. So Sun cannot affect this Venus. So what maximum it can do is, Sun indicates male children's. Okay, so the native may have difficulty in getting male children's, or even if they are born, they may have some health issues, or they may not be beneficial to them. Like that, it will affect the male children characteristics. Okay, rather it will not affect the potency of the person. Great. In third case, if you see, even though there is Sun and Venus close degrees and combustion, but if you see, firstly the Venus is exalted, but with the Sun it loses its exaltation power, but luckily for it, it gets exchanged with the Jupiter. So here considerably the effects of combustion gets nullified. Therefore we have to tell here there is no combustion, rather the person ends in one of the most fortunate yogas of Jiv Atma Sanyoga. Jivatma Samyoga. Fine. Next, if you see the fourth chart, here also there is Sun and Venus combination, but if you observe more carefully, this Venus being retro moves to its own house. Hence, here also the effects of combustion gets nullified to a considerable extent. So whenever we see the chart and saying somebody is barren or impotent, we should check a lot of factors and then give the results. So in this small video, I think it's helpful for you all to understand the combustion effects of Sun, and there are certain conditions in Nadi, okay, where there are certain planets, for example Mercury, what will be the combustion effect, and does Jupiter really gets combusted with Sun, and because we say Jivatma Samyoga, then in what way it affects, all those things we'll see in the successive classes. As in today, just try to understand the combustion effects of Venus and how it gets nullified. Thank you. Have a nice day.